Chelsea. Today I'm at Milam Truck Country, located in Puyallup at 500 River Road. And today we're looking at this beautiful silver 2007 Nissan Quest 3.5S. It's perfect for commuting, great family vehicle. Let's take a look at the interior. On the inside, it has cloth seats, automatic transmission, CD player with iPod integration, and AM/FM radio. Has cruise control and stereo controls integrated right into the steering wheel. Comes equipped with all the power options, windows, locks, and mirrors. Has 2 captain seats back here and 3rd row seating for 3 additional passengers. Very spacious in there. Has parking sensors here in the back. Door opens with just one touch. And you have plenty of cargo space. It's very easy to fold these seats down into the cargo space if you need extra room. You can fold those 2nd row seats down as well. All of our inventory here at Milam goes through an extensive service and safety inspection. They are beautifully detailed so you can purchase with confidence. Give us a call today to set up a test drive with one of our professional sales representatives at 253-845-1766. Thank you for clicking on our virtual tour.